This is a digital slide warming table with the on off switch. Indicator indicates that the main current is coming. This tells you the load means heating is going on. This is now heating is going on and off, and this is desired temperature what you want, and this is the temperature attained. It is already done 33.5. This is very slow heating because this is for slide warming. If you want to change it, I can just press it and bring it back to 38.5 and then press it back. It becomes 30, this 49.5, that will go there. That's the maximum temperature it can attain. This is the digital temperature controller, and our website is abronexports.com. Email is abron01@gmail.com. WhatsApp number is 9416020018. Another number is 99922222049. Visit the website, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. We have got all the types of slide warming table, hot plates, water bar, digital temperature controller, incubator, beauty incubator. Thank you very much.